standing here in the pouring rain where you said your goodbye, and I didn't know how long I would feel this pain. Oh, wish I might find a place and find another time, but I know with every love inside, with every warm July, I pray to summer skies. You've never been gone, and if I close my eyes, hold on tight, you've never been gone. Clenched, if I hold my breath, I can hear the sound of your song again, and my heart skips a few for you, a familiar tune that remembers when. Oh, every day, every night, find a way to hold you one more time. Do you know? With every lover's cry, with every morning rise, with every starlit night, you've never been gone. And if I close my eyes, hold on tight, you've never been gone. I know it's true that only time will heal, but I will always feel you whispering softly sweet. I see your fingerprints all over me, the way you set me free, giving me strength to stay. With every lover's sigh, with every warm July, I pray to summer skies. Oh, 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 and if I close my eyes, hold on tight, you've never been gone.